fish sauce.
We got grilled pork chop with
Lemongrass pork chops.
okay, lemongrass pork chop
Over easy eggs.
over easy eggs, and with this special sauce.